It's been a long winter, and it's still kind of chilly. I don't have to worry about the motor overheating and all that shit. You can check my other videos and see what I cranked this beast up to. This is the Typhon 3S, y'all. I had the 2050 kV motor in here, a high charge drag battery in this joint. I had a Savox servo in here. So I had this thing cranking because I was gonna make it race ready. Scroll down my timeline, you'll see this on Hoons. And I pulled up on like a random street, man. You know me, I'll pull up anywhere. And so I pulled up on like a residential street and ran. Anyway, now it's completely different. I realized I like the buggy just more for having fun, man. I ordered some Proline shocks for it and shit. And I was like, man, let me cancel that and just keep this as a fun buggy. So I took the 2050 kV out. Now I have the version 3 Centon ESC motor in here. I think that's what, the 33 or the 3600 kV. Running on a 22 pinion. I think I have a WT. I have a WT servo in there now. I took the Savox out. Now it's like one of those WT joints, and they're pretty cool. You know, slightly better than stock if you have the older Arrma models. 22 pinion, man, and I put these good old Duratrex Robber A-scale buggy tires on them. I like those, man. If you get a good look, they're good for the streets, man. They grip up like a motherfucker. Totally different from those Hoons, you know what I'm saying? The Hoons are cool, but those Hoons are kind of small on this, and to handle the weight, not the weight, but the sheer size of the buggy, it put a lot of pull on those shocks. If anybody knows, on those 3S Typhons, man, those front shocks are gonna be leaky as hell. Honestly, I've gone through about 3-4 pairs of front shocks. But this Centon, man, the new Centons, if anybody has the new Centon, you'll know, man, it comes with the 22, and it comes out the box rock steady, baby. Aretha Franklin. So to put that in this Typhon, it moves, man. I like it. I don't need anything more for this. I put a new body on it because, you know what I'm saying, body yada yada yada. I'm all about those different bodies and shit, but however you decide to flavor it, run it stock, run it with that red body, whatever. Let me go over here and show you these handles, man, these Barry Sanders right quick. If you're looking for a good remote to go to other than the stock, go with the Tactics. If you just want a good basher remote. And you see what I'm doing right here? This is good for my racers too. If you want to get off that shiny shit that's on the front of your tires, or that's on your that coating that's on your tires that makes you slide all around the clay track, do some figure eights on the asphalt. Or if you want to make your tires some slicks, just do this shit constantly. Wear out a pack. Oh, I knew it was gonna happen. First hit, y'all. This turn right here is a motherfucker. Get out. Damn, I can't see that shit. Get out. Good old Typh dog. Yes, sir. I haven't ran this Typhon, man, all winter. I haven't ran this Typhon probably in about 4 months. So for me to have it packed up for 4 months and to pull it out now shows you, man, how Arrma manufactures and builds their shit, man. You can put it up and just take it out, man. It's gonna be ready to roll. Anyway, y'all, I had to make this quick. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, or dislike.